Ano ang mga ab workout na pwedeng gawin sa bahay?
Pinakamaganda for beginners and advanced and medyo mabigat is static holds like planks, side planks, tsaka V-holds. So ito ang paggawa ng plank. Yan. Naka-vacuum, stomach in. Yan. Naka-bend ng konti, naka-crunch. Hold nyo 1 minute to 5 minutes. After nyan, side plank. Ganito. Pero parang magkadikit. Up yung ganyan. Ma-feel nyo yung tension dito sa obliques. Hold nyo for 30 seconds to 5 minutes. And then of course, opposite side. Hold nyo rin. After nyan, ito, re-ups, pang MMA tsaka gymnastics. Hold nyo to for 15 seconds to 5 minutes. And then after, yeah, magra-rock lang kayo, ab rock. And then yung isa naman ganito, V-hold. And then after 15 seconds to 5 minutes, rock kayo, 15 reps to 25 reps. Mafe-feel nyo yung burn dito, tas hindi na wear and tear on joints at ligaments. Hope this works for you. Carlos Axie, Serena Axie, Mr.